Adobe Premiere, the editing software. And there was a big announcement from Adobe that they are going to implement a lot of functions into Adobe Premiere with editing from the already known AI model called Firefly. And I know, John, that you tried Firefly already quite a while ago. And they have a very interesting presentation video. We're not going to show that here now because it's just a news item. But it's really interesting how they are implementing their Firefly model now into video editing. And we will make a show in the next time about video editing and AI, a special one. So we are not going too deep today into that topic. So
Yeah,
guys,
don't get
you
me
have something?
started.
Yeah, no, it's interesting to me. I mean, definitely, I'm looking forward to seeing the first betas that come out for Premiere with this functionality built into it. You know, they've spoken about three things: being able to remove objects in the video, being able to add objects in the video, and being able to extend a particular clip by an undetermined time, maybe to match the beat of the music or something like that. But, you know, Firefly in the background has been going now for, you know, just off the top of my head, you know, 2 years perhaps. I mean, it's not a new product, but it's one of the most underutilized, in my opinion, products out there. You know, it seems that most people that are doing generative art are not using Firefly, which is interesting. Although, you know, I will have to say that I use Photoshop every day, and I use obviously Firefly within Photoshop to remove things from an image, to add things to an image. And so, you know, there's really, I think, two Fireflies. One is the technology that's incorporated into these products, and then there's the actual Firefly product, which is really, you know, really gotten better. Over the last couple of months, they've added some cool features. One of the latest features they've added is that you can recreate structural layouts for images. So it takes the, you know, guesswork, trial and error of having to write the perfect prompt out of the equation. They're doing a lot of community building. It's, you know, again, as I say, I mean, I'm surprised because there are so many Adobe users out there. You know, perhaps people that use Adobe primarily are professionals, and, you know, so are not amongst.
I would say I'm guilty of it. You know, I use I'll go and I'll load up Photoshop, do some minor stuff. I do use Premiere to edit with, and I just have not, I'm yet to jump in and test out the Firefly. So it sounds cool, and I think it's just a matter of even like Lightroom and all of these programs that it has, like, I don't know. I feel like that's how they build the value in these different things, is not everyone's using the tools. They're tracking all the data. How many people are using the whole full suite of Adobe? I think very, very few. And they know, you know, some people are just using Photoshop. So I'm guilty of that. I actually need to go in and find a way that, you know, I can utilize this thing to edit better.
That's a good point. A good point.